I'm going to make a quick little video here picking my Patriot Blueberries. It's getting ready to storm. We got some thunder rolling in, and probably should have picked these a couple days ago, but I finally got around to it. I got so much to do here with all the other berries, strawberries and raspberries and blackberries. But these are looking pretty nice. Nice clusters on here. I hope you can see that clearly. And some are a little overripe, and then there's some that aren't ripe at all. But if you just run your thumb over them like that, you see how they're just rolling off of there? That's when you know they're ready. You shouldn't have to tug on them. They should just come off with a little twist of your thumb, and there you got a nice big handful off of one little branch. I got a colander full here that I got off of one plant so far. And I'm gonna try and get this one stripped before the rain hits. Yeah, that's a nice cluster there. Some nice berries on there. Some of these are, about the size of a nickel, I would say. They're not the biggest berry, but they're good, and they produce like crazy. That's what I like about Patriot. These plants are so loaded, they're laying over on the ground. They're so heavy with berries. Just in here, thick as can be. So, and then over here, next to it, I have what is this? A Jersey NS. And this is a little later of a berry. There's a few ripe ones on here, but lots of green ones yet. A few. These can be picked. These ones, when the bottoms are nice and purple, as long as your bottoms are a little red, then they're going to be a little tart on you. These are good. These are Jerseys. And over here, these are blue crop. Not nearly as many. The bushes are bigger. But this is the first year I'm picking off of these. I just planted these last year. I got them in 3-gallon pots. Not sure how old they are, but they're looking nice. And then there's a nice new shoot coming up. That's nice. Alright, so here's my little run of blueberries. I don't have a lot. I'd like to at least double this up. Once these things get big, it takes many years till you get a nice big hedge, but you can see I got a good start on it. I got to get my drip irrigation in here and get these watered too. I've been doing it with a hose, and that's just too time consuming. So this is another Patriot down here in the end. I have them. Every other plant is a different variety. They say that you get better pollination when you have different varieties all close to each other. So here's on the end here, here's a tiny little Chandler. This thing was in a little 4-inch pot last year. It's doing pretty well considering what it looked like. Alright, well, I better keep picking, or I'm going to get rained on and I won't get this done. So, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share if you care to. Thank you.